Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out the new Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. I saw somebody else that said this is their new holy grail, so I thought we need to try it. So that's what it is. This, let me read you what it says. I know it's cruelty-free, vegan. I think that's what her whole lab. It's by Lady Gaga. I don't know if I said that. Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. And this is what it says about it. It's a medium coverage, weightless, clean foundation with fermented arnica that reduces redness, helps even skin tone, and protects from environmental stresses. It's a natural finish, liquid foundation, visibly reduces redness and irritation, proprietary blend of medicinal herbs that promote healing and calming, bioferment 7 complex, proprietary blend of super antioxidants that protect skin from stress. So the product is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. It comes in 20 plus it's made with 20 plus skincare ingredients. It is a clean at Sephora. 51 shades. That's a lot of shades. So it's got a lot of different shades. It's got a good selection. My shade is 200 medium, where's the box? Light, medium, neutral. And I did open it and put it on the back of my hand, and it looks a little dark, but it's a medium coverage, so it should blend out and be perfect. That's what I'm thinking. So let's get started. I'm going to do the TikTok method because winter is coming. So we're going to start off with my CeraVe moisturizer. You guys didn't see that, right? I guess I haven't used it up here in a while. So I'm just going to slather this on. Pull it down my neck. And then grab my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. And then just put a layer of powder on. We're going to grab our spray. I'm going to use my Morphe spray because I love the aerosol. And then I'm going to grab my fan because I have no patience to wait. So now I'm going to go with my primer. I'm going to use my Tarte base tape. Just let that soak in for a quick minute. Alright, so we are ready to go in with our foundation. And like I said, my color is, I don't know why I did 2. That's way too much. Don't do what I do, okay? 1 would probably have been plenty. So I'm just going to put this on with my finger real quick. Then spread it around with a brush like I always do. And then finish off with a sponge, which, you know, if you're going to work and you're in a hurry or something, you can skip half of those. That's just the way I like to do it, because I feel like if I go straight in with a sponge, it soaks up too much of the product. So I like to just spread it out, which I could do with my finger if you're in a hurry. I probably should do that, huh? But I just want to spread it out a little bit before I go in with a sponge. Pull it down a little bit. It looks very shiny. I'm sure it's fine though. Alright, that's it with the brush. Blend this in nicely, get rid of any brush marks. But as you can see, coverage is getting thinner because of the sponge, but I like it The shine's getting thinner too, though. So maybe we'll go in with a, it doesn't say buildable. I didn't see buildable anywhere, so I guess this is it. I was gonna say we'll go in with some more. I guess I could try it, huh? Maybe we'll go in with a little bit more and see if it'll build right here in my cheeks. All right, let's try just a little bit more. So I'm just gonna take just a little tiny bit, like half a pump, like 2 drops came out. Whoa. And then I'm just going to put a little bit right there, blend it with my finger, and then my sponge. All right. All right, it's pretty. It's definitely glowy. So anyways, this is my Wonder Stick from NYX. I'm also going to add my Huda Beauty concealer. So I'm just going to blend this out real quick. I'm starting with the lighter color, and I'm just putting it on my lid so to use it as a eye primer to cover up all that purple that I have on my lid, because I have thin skin there, because I'm old. If you don't have thin skin, if you have great lids, you don't need that there. But I am a believer in that you don't need to buy a eye primer, that your concealer works just fine. And I'm going to go in with my Bye Bye Pores. Make sure there's no settling going on here. Do it. Now I'm going to go over this with my powder brush to take off any excess, smooth it all out, make sure it's everywhere. Okay, I think that's good. So far so good. I like it. All right, moving on. Bobbi Brown bronzer, and just pretty much go over the places that I just contoured, just to reinforce that contour so that it stays beautiful all day long. All right, blend that out a little bit. Pull it down my neck. Perfect. Okay, so we're using Benefit Dallas blush and Dandelion highlight from Benefit. And blend that out just a little. And now we're gonna do the eyes. Actually, I think we're gonna do my brows first. I know I am using my brow POWMADE from Benefit. This is not sponsored by Benefit. I just like Benefit. A lot of products from Benefit. I wish they would sponsor a video. I would definitely do a video for them. But they haven't contacted me yet, so we're just gonna keep going. And I'm just gonna put some spots on here because I want it kind of kind of want it lighter than I've been getting it. And sometimes it just goes dark. Now I'm going to go in with my brow setter, brow gel from Benefit. Okay, now we're going to go in with our Charlotte Tilbury Gold Star. And I am going to use, this is my favorite brush to do this with. This is a Sigma E55. And it's kind of dense, rounded, but kind of packed. So I get it on one side of this brush. Just like that. I can't see how much is there, but I'm sure it's enough. If not, we'll get more. And then I'm just going to put it right on the lid. That's where I start. Putting it on the lid. And then I put it pretty much the whole, all over the lid, pretty thick. Just like that. So I've got it pretty much over the lid. Then I turn it over to the side that's got nothing on it. And I pick up some of this and pull it up into my crease and as high as I want it to go, which for me is pretty high. And it brings all those beautiful sparkles up into, and it's just, it's perfect, it's easy, it's quick, just like that. And then we're gonna go in with a liner and that's it. And grab my liner. I'm going to use my NYX liquid liner and make a quick line with a quick wing. Another time that I can't talk. Now, I like this look to be a little bit bold, so I'm gonna make the wing pretty good. So I just stamp it, and that way I can then stretch it out a little bit and get a nice line across. And clean it all up. Just like that. Then we're gonna spray it again to set it all in place. All right. All we have left are lips. This is the Anastasia in Auburn. And I'm going to put it all over my lips. Okie dokie. I am just going to put the black honey right over this and see how we love it. What do you think? I think that worked really well. So, and let me see. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you love this foundation? It definitely, the glow came back through. I do. I think it's nice. And for medium coverage, it did really well. Most of the ones I've been having lately that say medium coverage aren't. They're like zero coverage, I feel like. But I like this one. I like it a lot. So I now understand why that one person said this may be their new holy grail one. I'm giving it a thumbs up for sure. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!